It's a special shape key. And look at this screen. I already opened it. This is fixed to the box. It will not drop. So you don't worry, it will miss. Okay. This one will not drop. Okay. Here is the drill, and this is the position for the splitter. 2 splitter and the fusion spacing plates. It can put 2 layers. Here is the place for the fiber. Okay. Here we can put 8 adapters, and this is the room for the cable, extra cable. And here, this is the fixed place to fix the cables inside, and here are the place for the outgoing drop. And for this designer, this is 8 drop cable flat, and we can also change it. Okay, you can take it out. Look, this is the cable for the 5 mm round cable. Okay. This is the inlet port with the rubber. Okay. And if you are using in the building, the riser cable is okay. We can put a hole here. Okay, we can put a hole here, so it is suitable. It's good for the riser cable. And here is the outlet ports. This is made by rubber too.